To the work, we are servants of God. Let us follow the path that our Master has trod. With the balm of His counsel, our strength to renew. Let us do with our might what our hands find to do. Toiling on, toiling on, toiling on, toiling on.
Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Thursday, 22nd August 2024, and our topic today na how to handle oppositions. Our memory verse dey for 1 Peter chapter 4 verse 12, and e talk say, my friends, make una no surprise say una dey pass through trouble like person wey fire dey burn, because things wey go make una fear go must happen. Our Bible reading dey for Nehemiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 16. When Sanballat, Tobiah, Geshem and the rest of our enemies hear say we don build the wall tight well, even though we never set the gate for where dem suppose dey, dem come send message come give me say make I come meet dem for one village for Ono field. But I come know say dem dey plan to attack me. So I send message to dem say I get better work wey I dey do, so I no fit come. I no fit stop the work because I wan come see una. Dem send me the same message 4 times, and each time dem send am, I dey give dem the same answer. For the 5th time, Sanballat send one servant with letter come give me. Dis na wetin dem write for the letter. Geshem tell me say dem dey talk for everywhere say you and the Jew people wan attack us, and na im make you dey build the wall back. E still say you dey plan to make yourself king, and you don arrange with some prophets make dem announce for Jerusalem say you be Judah king. Now the king go hear about am, and na dis make me say make you come, make we first talk about the matter. I answer am, all wetin you talk so no be true, na only you arrange dis story. I see say dem dey wan make us fear so that we go stop the work, but I pray come say, my Baba God, make you give me strength. By dis time, I go visit Shemaiah wey Mehitabel pikin Deliah born, wey no fit comot from im house. Then he tell me and you must go hide for the holy place for the temple, come lock the doors, because dem wan come kill you. They go come kill you anytime from now. Na im I answer, I no be the kind person wey dey run go hide. You think say I go wan save my life come go dey hide for the temple? I no go do am. When I reason am again, I just know say God no talk to Shemaiah, but na Sanballat and Tobiah bribe am make e for talk wetin e dey talk so. Dem hire am make e for make me fear dey come sin, so that dem go spoil and disgrace my good name. Na im I come pray, my God, remember wetin Sanballat and Tobiah dey do o. Dem make you punish dem. Remember and punish that woman Noadiah and all the other prophets wey dey wan make me fear. After we don work for 52 days, we finish the whole wall for the 25th day for Elu wey be October month. When our enemies wey dey the nations wey surround us hear am, shame catch dem, because everybody know say na God help us do the work. Now the message. Opposition different from persecution o. Persecution dey happen if person attack you because you be Christian, but opposition dey happen if dem attack you to take stop you from doing that thing wey you dey plan to do for God. Many people don comot to do things for God, but dem face opposition wey make dem no do am again. Some of dem continue to be fervent Christian, but the opposition discourage dem to stop to do wetin dey their heart to do for God. If we allow make opposition stop us from doing that thing wey God call us to do, many souls go kpafuka for hellfire, and devil go oppress people because say the Christians dey quiet. So instead, make you allow opposition stop you. You need to learn to continue to do wetin you dey do for God even when dem dey there. One man wey face opposition and e no stop the work wey e dey do until the work finish na Nehemiah. E don comot say e go rebuild the walls of Jerusalem even though the job no be easy job. Opposition come show face. If you study the book of Nehemiah, you go see the 3 major tools of opposition wey the devil dey use against Christians. Number 1 na mockery. We go see this one for Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 3. Number 2 na threats. This one dey for Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 7 to 8. And number 3 na discouragement. We go see this one for Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 10. You fit raise people make dem mock you for wetin you dey do, but you must ignore dem. Some people go even threa ten you with many things, even death, if you continue to do wetin you dey do for God. But you no need to fear, because God go take care of those people for you. The last thing be say, devil fit bring discouragement. E go dey make the work wey you dey do dey more difficult. E fit start by making sure say the things wey you dey use do the work no dey available, or people no go just wan cooperate with you again. Whether the devil bring one of them or you bring all of them come your side, if God don give you vision, you no need to stop wetin you suppose do. Nehemiah 4 verse 9 talk say, but we pray give our God, come put men wey go dey guide the place both day and night. Nehemiah natural answer to all the oppositions wey im dey face na to pray. Prayer no be the last thing, but na im be your first defense against opposition. As you dey do everything wey you suppose to do to take counter opposition, you need to put your trust for God. Put your ear for im chest, make you fit hear the next instruction wey im go give you, since na im work you dey do. Those people wey dey oppose you, dey also oppose am be that. So allow am make e fight as you continue to dey do the work. Our main point for today's message be say, the way to take overcome opposition na to report dem give God. Allow make God fight as you continue to dey do the work. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.